What's up guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Ackeem here. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys some of the app that you must have for a YouTube channel if you are going to manage your YouTube channel from your mobile phone. Now the first app on my list that you guys should have is the Gmail app, because that's where you're gonna get contact from YouTube if they're changing their policy, if they want to update you on information such as monetization purposes and those things. So guys, you need to have the Gmail app. Now the next app that you should have is the YouTube app, the app that you're probably watching this video on right now. Now this app basically helps you to upload your videos, to watch your videos and those things. So I recommend having the YouTube app on your mobile phone. Now the next app that I recommend that you should have is the YT Studio. Now in terms of managing your YouTube channel, checking your data, analytics and those things, to upload custom thumbnails, to put in tags, to put in description and those things, the YT Studio is where you guys can do all of that. In terms of if you're a monetized channel, you can check your revenue and all those things. Now the next app that I also recommend is TubeBuddy. Now TubeBuddy is an app that you can use to monitor all of your videos, all of your content, checking milestone, and to see comments that you're not yet replied to. So it's basically a way that you can use to connect with your audience, and also helps you with SEOs and tags and those things. So it basically gives you some suggestion of some tags that you can use in your videos to basically rank in search results. So if you have a channel that mainly do tutorials and you want your videos to rank in search, I recommend that you guys can use TubeBuddy. Now in terms of filming, I recommend that you should have the camera app that is on your phone. You can use the app, but in terms of if you want to get some more settings and things like that, you can use Filmic Pro. Now Filmic Pro is one of the apps that you can use. It's like you're having a real camera. You can change aperture, you can change the contrast, you can change all the basic things on your mobile phone by using that app, right? So there are other apps that you can also use to get a better quality videos on your mobile phone. Now this app also have the free version, I also have the paid version. Now in terms of getting clicks on your videos, you guys need to have a professional looking thumbnail. Now to create thumbnail, the app that I recommend is Canva. Now Canva is one of the most easiest app to use to create thumbnails and all those things. You can use to create thumbnails, posters, right, to promote your channel. You can use to create channel art, guys, and all those things. And the reason I recommend Canva, and I always recommend Canva, is that you guys can just move around the text, move around the image. You guys don't have to do any form of big major editing. But if you want to step it up a bit, you guys can use PicArt. Now PicArt helps you to cut out your background from your image and those things. I also did a tutorial on that. I did a tutorial on Canva, and I also did a tutorial on PicArt. So if you guys willing to watch one of these videos to see how well I do that, you guys can check that video out. Now also the next app that I recommend, which is basically a text-based app, is Fonto. Now Fonto is the app that I use to put text on my image. So whenever you see those texts on my image and those texts on the screen and all those things, Fonto is the app that I use to do all of that. So guys, the next app that I recommend for video editing is iMovie if you are an iPhone user. And also if you have an Android, you can use KineMaster and InShot, and there's a lot more apps that you can choose from. I did a specific video on that of the app that I recommend, so you guys can check that video out also to see that app list, which one is of your choice. So basically these are the apps, guys, that I recommend for you to have to run a successful YouTube channel from your mobile device. So if there's any app that you think should be on this list that I didn't mention in this video, please leave your comments in the comment section below. And also if I mention any one of your favorite app that you guys have been using, please let me know in the comment section, and I see you there. Remember guys to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I see you in the next one. As always, peace out.